DX Series Bucket Wool Sand Washer. The bucket wool sand washer is a washing equipment for artificial sand including natural sand, which is widely used for material washing in sand and gravel fields, mines, building materials, transportation, chemical industry, water conservancy and hydropower, concrete mixing station and other industries. When the sand washer is working, the motor drives the impeller to rotate slowly after being reduced the speed by the triangle belt, reducer and gears. The sand and stone enter the washing tank from the feeding tank, roll under the drive of the impeller, and grind each other, which can remove the impurities covering the surface of the sand and stone, and destroy the water vapor layer covering the sand particles, so as to facilitate dewatering and play a highly efficient role in sand washing and cleaning. Reasonable structure, stable and reliable operation, small loss, convenient maintenance, less maintenance, large processing capacity, small power consumption, high degree of cleaning, low product loss amount.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.